Hey friends, Ram Man here. There's some helpful information that you may need. May assist you in solving your problem, saving you some grief, and maybe having to do it 2 or 3 times. So, anyway, this is about, we're going to make this little video. This is going to Indianapolis Car Exchange. These first-class people, instead of just selling somebody some old broke-down piece of shit or some car with a problem, they send the booster off and get us to redo it. This is going on a 66 Ford, obviously by the 2 bolts up there. So, we're just going to check it out. Of course, it already has on the stand when Uncle Ron rebuilt it. But I do this as a last-minute thing because I've had to take a booster in and out a couple times. Now, it's a long time ago. I was like 17, 18, 20, but it don't matter. It's still a pain in the ass. Unless you use that 1/4-inch drive setup with a 24-inch extension and a wiggler and stuff. So, we've got her hooked up. We've got a lot of assist. It's real easy to push it. I can push it with my finger. It's rebounding the spring. See it, guys? Now, so, that thing just shut off. Now, if our check valve's good and the can is good, has integrity, we ought to have enough vacuum to do us a little emergency stop if this motor shut off. 1, possibly 2. So, let's see. There's 1. And there's 2. So, that's about as good as she gets. That's 1 booster. Get ready to go back to Indianapolis Car Exchange. You with me? Alright. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Fording.